Welcome to Fingertech Lab. Today we are learning how to instantly remove an image background in Photoshop 2023. But before we move on to that, for the YouTube algorithm, please comment, like, share and subscribe to our channel in helping to create more of this kind of tutorial. Now let's dive into our design. Now we have our Photoshop already launched for us, then the image is also open. Now to work on this image, we have to unlock this image. So when we come to where the layer is, you'll see that we have locked put the pointer on it and click on that lock to unlock the image. Now the image is unlocked for us. So we go to Windows on the menu bar, click on Property, select Property. You see the Property tab, click and drag to look for Remove Background. It will take some seconds to take the background off for us. Alright, the background is gone, so we can hide this one. Now to see the edges, if there are no other particles of the old background, we move to the view mode. So you click on select and max. This will take us to the next. There is the new view mode, and this one you will see that this background, you can see the edges of the image. So we have different view mode. You can click and drop down to see the images that we have there. So always let's select this overlay view mode so that we can see what we are doing well. And always when you come here, you make sure the opacity is selected to 100. And when we look at the image, the edges is alright for 100% okay, but within it, where the arms are, there are some blue colors there, and we want to take them off. So we are using the Refine Edge brush tool to take them off. So you click on the brush, go to where the plus is. The plus is to add the parts that we want to add. So you click on that. Then if the size is too small, let's increase it to 20. When service is okay. Then we come to where we want to add it. You click and drag. Click and drag to bring those parts. Now when you look at the second side, there's a small one left here, so we have to reduce the size of the brush. Reduce the size of the brush, and we go back to the corner, highlight it. So if the part is too this far, we go to where the minus is, and therefore we add those parts that are off. Alright, I think it's okay for us now. And if we realize everything is perfect, we just scroll to the down. Then we tick the decontaminate colors. Just click on that, check it. After you are done, click on the OK to confirm. Voila! So you can see that our background is gone and it's left only the image for us. So this is how we instantly remove an image background in Photoshop. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Hope to see you in our next tutorial. Bye for now.